Hey guys, today I will tell you how to find your Robinhood account statements.
I'm currently in the app so you can follow along in real time. Start from the main screen by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. On the profile page, look for statements and history. It's usually near the middle of the screen. Tap this option to access your document repository. Scroll down to the documents section where you'll see account statements. Here you'll find all your historical statements organized chronologically. The most recent statement appear at the top. This is typically what you'll need for most purposes. Tap the statement you require to open it. Once opened, you can email it directly from the app using the share button in the top right corner. You can also download it to your device for printing or saving. These statements are essential for tax purposes, account transfers, or verifying your investment history. I've created additional content covering how to use these statements for various financial processes. If this guide helped you locate your important documents, please like and subscribe.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.